awunikeza uflavor lapho manje.
Ngifuna yona.
Awe.
Which one?
I get deeper into this thing. The deeper I go, the more knowledge I know what to sing, what to bring. What? I get deeper into the vibe. What? Chilling in the corner at the show, all by myself.